Hi everyone, so we're back here in Loures, Lisbon and Portugal for the 5G as a Service general meeting, and we have here with us Miguel Catalan from i2CAT, who is going to answer some questions regarding what i2CAT is doing within the 5G as a Service project. So, Miguel, my first question would be, I know that within the solution you are working with the topic of network slicing. I wanted to understand a bit more what exactly is network slicing and how it relates to traditional networks.
Okay, so in traditional networks you also have the option to customize the network to the requirements of the service, but it was more about RAN sharing or things like multi-operator core networks. But the idea of 5G is to bring a step forward in this customization using technologies like network function virtualization, software-defined networking, or even RAN desegregation to be able to create virtual networks that are specifically tailored to the service.
Okay, and how exactly can we describe the advantages of network slicing when in comparison to traditional networks?
So the idea, as I commented, is about flexibility, customization, so to try to adapt the network to the specific requirements of the applications. So if you have an application that needs low latency, you can try to move all the user plane part near to the application, so the things like the UPF, the CGUP, this type of components to put it near. And this, a part of that, you can also gain some efficiency, so you can better characterize your application and try to adapt the network, the resources that you need for this application to gain, for instance, energy efficiency. And this is something that will be key for scenarios like private networks. So this will be a key technology for this type of scenarios.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.